It was pitch black outside as I walked the 6 blocks from school to my home. I had walked this way so many times that I knew almost every crack in the sidewalk below. Yet this was the first time I had walked home at night. I could see some bright lights in the distance, but they did not help me very much. I really had no call to complain because my mother had suggested that I call her and she would come to pick me up. I did not care to have her come to school for me, though, because I knew the other children would tease me. As I walked along the street, I had this strange feeling that someone was following me. I was beside myself in fear. All of the sudden, I saw something blocking my way. My mind went blank. Then I realized how hard my imagination was working. The object in front of me was a mailbox attached to a post. I passed by it every day, and yet this time it had taken on an image that sent chills through me. I had read many books about scary situations, and I had always made fun of them. Now I wished my dog was beside me. I knew he cared about me and would protect me if necessary. But alas, he was probably home sleeping below the kitchen table or besides Dad's chair. I wondered if I called for help, whether he would hear me and come. Probably not. I began to relax a little, for I had walked 3 blocks and knew that I was halfway home. I passed by the small grocery store on the corner, but it had closed several hours before. Now only a small light burned brightly in the back of the store, near the safe, I suppose. I had seen it often back there when I got groceries for my mother. Suddenly, 2 lights appeared in front of me. It was only a car that quickly shed light in the dark, black night, illuminating my way and then disappearing as quickly as it came. There were only 2 blocks left to walk. I could run now if I had to make it home faster. My heart began to slow up, and only then did I realize how truly scared I had been. I could see the porch light my mother had left on for me. I felt like a burden had just been lifted from my shoulders. I was home, safe